are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, heated steering wheel, compass, power windows, heated front seats, driver and front passenger heated seats, CD player, trip computer, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.